Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be assembling the woven dining chairs, which is from Allen and Roth. And so these come in a box of 4, so there's 4 to each box. We decided to get 2 boxes of them. So you have the backing to the chairs, the chair frames, and the cushions, and the hardware. And that's it. It's a very simple install, and so we'll just walk you through it right now. So you're going to start off by taking the frame, and we're going to take the woven seat back here, and it just slides right down into these 2 grooves. So once we've securely placed that backing down into the chair frame, we're going to come around to the side, and we're going to install our assembly hardware. It's just the bolt. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and line this up. And it's going to take a little bit of effort to line this up. What I did was I pushed right here on the chair frame to kind of push it forward slightly, and then you can get the bolt in. And these bolts are pretty long, so if you do happen to have a drill and you can get to your 4mm Allen on it, that's the size that you'll need, and that really helps speed things up. Next, we're going to bring in our little cap that goes over the hardware, and it just presses right on, and that's all there really is to it. We're going to go ahead and do this on the other side. We're going to put our pad on, and the pad just velcros on very simply here on the back, so just attach both of those. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please check the video description for more playlists that I have on other installs like this, including the gazebo and the table and other things. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.